Hello, everyone. So let's go over the test 2. Most people missed it, but I want to give you a little bit of help for the next one, test 3. It'll be just like this one. If you already took it and did well enough that you're happy with it, you do not have to take it again. If you want to give it a shot, take test 3, try to do better, great. I will not take, if you do worse, I will give you the higher grade. Okay, so test 2, this is what it looked like. Ready to go. Question 1, solve the equation. So you're going to distribute, oops, wrong color. You're going to distribute. You're going to get negative 9x. Of course, bring down the plus. But then this is negative times positive. So it actually becomes negative. 6 times 3 is 18. We're going to get rid of this. We're going to keep this. Add 18 to both sides. Negative 9x. Good thing there's a calculator on here, but 90, they are different signs. One's a negative, one's a positive. So you subtract. And you take the sign of the bigger one, further away from 0. So that's negative 90, negative 72. So x equals positive 8. Okay, second one, find the slope. In order to find the slope, you need since it's a graph, you're going to pick 2 points. Step 1, choose 2 points. You need them to be on the corners and on the blue line. It could be this one and this one, or you could have chosen this one. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and choose the first 2. So it's rise over run. So you're going to go down 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, so you're even with the other one. And you're going to go from this spot over 1, which is 4. And because going from left to right, this being the left side, this being the right side, so if I go to the very left side of the graph and I want to keep going to the right and I'm following the graph, I'm going to go down, so it's a negative slope. Okay, number 3. Match the graph with the correct equation. I didn't get a chance to actually put those on there, but let's go ahead and I went ahead and put the graph. So let's go back to draw. We need a coordinate plane. This is your y-intercept. This is your y-axis. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3. Let's do it in red. 3. Our slope, rise over run. We're going to go down 4 over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're either going to go over 1 that way or over 1 that way. According to this, it needs to be a negative slope. So if I were to go this way, going from left to right, that's a positive slope. So we're going to go this way. Should match your graph. All right, then we're going to go to number 4. Write the slope-intercept form of the equation of a line. In order to do that, we're given 2 points. Whenever we're given 2 points, you're going to use the point slope formula. And the reason for that is because they give you 2 points. The other formula is the slope-intercept. In order for that, we need the slope, which we need the slope for that one too, but we need the y-intercept. Here we don't have the y-intercept. In order for it to be the y-intercept, it would be 0, comma, and then some number there. we don't have that. So instead we can use the point slope. In order to use the point slope, we need the slope. We definitely got the point already, but we need a slope. Well, cool thing is, to find slope from 2 points, it's y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So, and then we have x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. First point, second point. So I'm going to match it up with this. The first one, negative 1, is x sub 1, which is here. Then we've got the green one, which is y sub 1, which is here. Then we've got the blue one, which is x sub 2, which is here. And the purple one. So now let's fill them in. The purple one minus the green one over the blue one minus the yellow one. Clean it up. Negative 4 plus 5 is 1. Negative 2 plus 1 is negative 1. So the slope is negative 1. Halfway there. So now we have the slope. We also need the point. Doesn't matter which one we pick. No, it does not. So I'm going to pick the first one. All right, and then I'm going to need the point slope formula, which is y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. So we have y minus negative 5 equals slope, which was this, times x minus this one, negative 1. Clean it up. Negative 1 times positive 1. And these are all in slope-intercept form, so let's put this negative 5 over here. So we have y equals negative x plus, nope, minus 6, which is, okay, and then the last one, write the slope-intercept form of the equation of the line. Well, the first thing we're going to need is slope-intercept form, so that's y equals mx plus b. That means we need the slope and we need the y-intercept. So it's going to be y equals blank x. This is either going to be a plus or a minus. So I need the slope. To find the slope from a graph, do the same thing we did before. Looks like it's down 2 over 1, 2 over 1. It's a negative slope. Going from left to right, it's going down. Y-intercept, we look at where the graph crosses the y-axis, which is right here. And that's at positive 1, positive 1, negative 2x plus 1, which is here. There we go, all done. Hope you do well for the test on Friday.